Teespring Beginners Tutorial, Teespring Print on Demand. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on Teespring, how to use Teespring to create print on demand products and sell online to run a successful business. So let's get started. First, what you need to do is simply open up teespring.com and you will get to this website right here. Teespring is a print on demand that allows you to make money online by just designing your product. Manufacturing and shipment is taken care of by Teespring. All you do is you design your products and earn your profit. So to get started with Teespring, you can create your own account by signing up with your Google account, or you can simply sign in with your email address. Once you sign up, then you will be able to create your online store. Once you sign up or sign into Teespring, this is where you will get. Now on Teespring, we can create our online store, and it is going to be our own store, which is going to be print on demand. Teespring is completely free and you don't need to, invest anything. So once you get to the dashboard, now we can start creating our product. On Teespring, we get a lot of different products to choose from. We can create t-shirts, we can create mugs, stickers, and other things as well. Simply go to your create option right here and you have to choose a product first. Let's go ahead and design a t-shirt. You select any of the t-shirt you want. So I'm gonna go with a classic t-shirt and let's design this one. This is going to be the base cost, which is $13.34. Now I will be able to sell it for more than 13, of course, because this is what Teespring will take and then I will make my profit. These are the different colors available. Just click right here and select your product. Once you select your product, it will open up your design product window for you. This is my product right here. It's a t-shirt and I can design front and back. So first of all, we can add an image or we can simply add a text as well. So let's go ahead and add an image right here as our design. Now you can add any kind of design you want to your t-shirt right here. Now this is one of the design my followers sent me and they wanted me to create a print on demand. So this is how you just simply add an image. Make sure the image quality is good and you can drag and drop it wherever you want to. You can just, place it. So I will place it right here. It looks pretty good. We can also resize it by just, adjusting from these options and delete and get another image if we want. So in the back, we can go with the text. Simply click on add text and it will allow you to add any kind of text you want. So just simply click right here and type what you want to type. So this is going to be my text. Now we can of course change our text font. Okay, this one looks pretty good and I'll place it here. So this is how we simply add text. I can also change my text color, make it bold. We can change the alignment as well. But I think this text looks pretty good and I'm gonna go back to front. Now this is my design. Here we have added our first thing, which is design. Second thing is choosing our product color. Now white is going to be the default color, but we can click on this plus icon and it will show me all of the available colors. So we can select as many colors as we want. This one looks good. Then we have this one as well. Okay, pink looks okay. Blue looks pretty good. We have gray, light pink, and then this one. So I'm just gonna uncheck these 3 and then select the others. So I have 9 selected and you will be able to see that now my product is available in 9 colors. Now we have the option to select in an image that buyer sees. Now this is the image that we add and this is going to be the first image they see. It's like kind of like adding a thumbnail. So I'm going to click on, view and I'm going to edit the first image the buyers will see. Let's go with a color that actually looks pretty good and it gives my t-shirt a really good look. So I am going with this color right here. This looks very nice. So I'm going to select this one and click on done. Now this is going to be the first image my buyers see. Next step is going to be selecting your price for the product. Now you can see $13 was the price of manufacturing. That's what Teespring will take. Now I want to make the maximum profit. Now this is the price suggested by Teespring, but I'm gonna actually change it and I'm gonna sell this shirt for $20 or maybe $25. So I am selling this right here for $25. And you can see right here, I will be making 9.46 profit. This is complete profit and Teespring will take $13 of course, and this is my profit and I invested $0 and this is how Teespring works. It's pretty good. We can also add a price in euros if we like. And for euro, again, I'm going to go with 26 and I'll be making 5 euros in profit for this one. Click on continue and it will take you to select more products if you want, and we will be able to list our product on Teespring. So right here, I have my classic tee. But if I want my design to be on other products, such as women clothing, maybe other shirts, hoodies, bags, stickers, then I can just select different products from here. And it will show me how my design looks on it. And of course, I will be able to make more money with it. So you can select more than one product. For example, this bag right here, maybe some other t-shirts, maybe a hoodie, or again, you can select maybe tank top for this one, and your design is going to be same, but price is going to be different. But for now, let's just go with a classic tee. Click on continue. And now we have to add our product, list our product to our store. So you simply add your title, then we add our description. You can add whatever you like in the description. For now, I'm just going with the word t-shirt for women. Then we have select first image. So we have already done it. And this is going to be my URL. Now, if I want to change the URL, I can do that. But this is the URL I will share with my followers and wherever I want to promote my products. Visibility is going to be public, private, or unlisted. So I'm going to keep it to private for now because this is for the video. But you just click on public and your t-shirt is listed as a public product. You have to select your store. So this is one of the stores that I have, and I will just now click on publish listing. When you create an account on Teespring, you automatically get your own store, and it's really easy. Now, what I can do is I can just see that my product is being listed, and it will just take a second. There it is. Our t-shirt is live now, and it was so easy to create a t-shirt design, a print on demand on Teespring. You can see it looks so good, my t-shirt right here. Now I can share the URL and I can continue with my another product. So once you have your products listed on your store, you will be able to simply get orders. All of your orders will be shown right here. You can check your previous listings from this option right here. We have analytics that will show us that what traffic we are getting to our store and what we have actually made. So you will check your profit right here, whatever you are getting. Now, once you create a product, you can also order a product from Teespring for yourself with 50% off, and you can check the quality. The quality on Teespring is really good and it creates good quality products for you. We have our payouts right here. You will be able to get very easy payment methods and withdraw your money really easily by just adding simple methods to Teespring. And this will help you run a successful print-on-demand business online. Teespring has all the right features and tools for you to create your own print-on-demand. This brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use Teespring as a complete beginner. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.